What's up guys, I bring you another video on the market OTC. In this case, these videos have already made it, but many people have asked us, and even during daily live broadcast, how to use the average, how to configure them, and I'm going to make another video about this. First, look at the time frame here. I'm going to use any time frame, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2. That will depend on where I see the entry. So let's go to the average right now. Alright, we got 4 lines of that. For now, we're gonna use glass candles M1 on time frame, but that's good. So the lines, guys, we're gonna use the first one, 20 EMA. Remember that. The color is up to you. Alright, second one, we're gonna use 50 EMA. Alright, the color is normal. The 100 for the third one and 200 for the last one, the blue line. All right, so that's good. I'm going to enter on the upward based on that rejection. You can see that's all right. So guys, we're gonna use 1 minute expiration time, $35. Okay, gonna start with 30. That's pretty good. As I said, you can use as a rejection right here on this one that's happening here. Oh, now in this example, we got the blue line of 200 that is resetting. Getting resistance on that, it will pull back, all right? As you can see right here, you have to see that 200 is the last average. Okay. So I'm going to put that in the upward and the rejection. After rejects, looks at this one. All right. Look at that. Let's go. Oh, that's break through the rejection. All right. So you're going to use sell button. Okay. Pretty good. It's going upward, but no price goes up and rejects again. There is it. Could enter. All right. That's a downward. Well, I expect a pullback, guys, but I entered average and I entered the downside. There's a large criterion. And that's what depends on the entry points. That is how far away, but since it's usually fast. Sometimes we enter the candle based on the rejection by trend. If the candle had stayed up, it should be something else can partner would have formed. In this case, it's a small reaction. But what the price this goes up, look at that. All right, it quickly rejects and it looks like this is going to continue the downward trend. All right, there is almost 10 seconds for this, so that's pretty good. The average giving me directions passive on the 20 and the 50. In that position downward, and got our first one, man. $57 in the total, 62 on that. Good profit, guys. So let's gonna use 55 for the next entry. All right. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. All right? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Let's put that in favorite. Let's wait for that. No, that's just... Maybe you can use this one. That's pretty good. All right. You can use the line, 20 line. All right, the red one. I'm going to enter the downward as well. That's pretty good in 1 minute on Inter OTC. The price is falling, looking more or less the average, which rejects. The price reaches the average, rejects a middle candle. A measure of the trend, the second candle confirms the trend to me. If the candle is not so strong, then wait for another candle. If the candle is strong enough, I wouldn't enter the direction of the rejection. In this case, the trend is downward, so I go down on that. All right, remember that, guys. So that is right here. Almost 25 seconds. Let's wait for this, which is what I see. How the second position. I'm taking quickly, and the market turns out. I have another success win position for this. So let's wait for that to get sure on this. All right, so we gotta win another one. $105. That's pretty good. Look at that. $113 in the total. That's pretty good. So let's go to the next one. All right. So, guys, for this one, we're going to have more hits than misses. All right. It's looking like I have the third entry for this session here, and I'm going to wait for the candles to close in favor. If the candles ends up, they give me the continuation of the upward trend. All right. Let's see that. Okay, that's Coinbase. Third position explanation I have already. It's given. I'm going to wait for that to see how the word success session turns out. So it's the same criterion. We have the same position. Okay, and we got to another win. The third one, guys. Look at that, $195. That's pretty good. Guys, that is very simple. Have a hard 3 hits. Are going to quickly look for the fourth one. And what if we end the video here? It's looking like we have the possible entry. We don't know here on the Johnson's OTC. Okay, but if they end the rejection in 100 period average, I would apply the downward entry and look to have the candlestick pattern, and then distance from the entry point to the average is enough. The win to happen at least a minute. All right. So we got the rejection on this sell button, and let's see that that's going to happen. Okay, I have 1 minute left, 50 seconds right now, and see that how last trade goes. And with this one, I'm out. So if I lose over the last $5, yeah, it's not good. That's enough, but that's gonna happen. Okay, let's try to do this. I started making the video of the time completion, not 20 minutes have passed it. So I've been looking to find and got the good entries, and that criterion have a client and making decision. Could we do this in live session? That's, you can try to do that, but as I said for you, fast strategy, we have some delays on the tube, so that is very complicated for us to make this one.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Sometimes you can try some another entries points with 1 minute, but it's pretty harsh, right? And look at this, baby. We got another win. $384. Almost 39 on my account, guys. That's pretty good. Good position on that. I increased my account 35 to 89. Less than 20 minutes. I success for this video, guys. Leave your opinion in the comments for those asking how you are the average. That's the video again on our video, the 2 example that can help you use explanation of average in the markets, OTC. I wish you a very good trade session, guys. Invite you to stay tuned on that. Have a good one. Action right now. Good profits. I wish you good operations and see you around. Bye bye, guys. Have a good one. See you.